What's up? How y'all doing? So ready to turn it down. You got it. All right, so we jump back. Top of the week, we want to look at the market, figure out what's going on in the news, do another charting session, and let's see where our attention should be focused this week as far as our trade setups. So we'll go ahead and share our screen. Oh yeah, gotta get the light. TP Sniper said he definitely gotta get one of these lights already. Yeah, man. So, give me a second. We are going straight to the economic calendar. That's our first step. So Monday we do have news dropping during the London session. We got Euro news, a lot of the Euro news. Tuesday, Euro chief, Euro pound, CAD. So the reason I like to look at the economic calendar at the beginning of every week is because I don't like to get caught in trades that are trending sideways. Rhonda, how you been? Yeah. So when you have consolidation, which you will have on anything that you trade, you can avoid being caught into those areas looking for trade setups by looking at the news to see where the volatility will be. And right now we're looking at Euro. So I actually have a Euro trade in on Euro pound. We got to buy. Excuse me. Okay. Now the reason I was looking for this pullback on Euro pound, that's what I want to dive into right quick. Let me get some of this stuff out of the way. Stretch this out. Now overall, I do want to see a continuation in this downtrend on Euro pound. But I notice right here, when it comes to this low on the weekly, it has not been tested yet. Okay, so I wanted to see what happened at this low. And where were we? On the daily, this was a really strong downtrend. We really haven't had a pullback. Flex, what's up? How you been? We haven't had a pullback or any type of retracement on this move either. So we need some type of reaction to happen at this level. So what we can do is be safe and monitor this area right here and see what happens if price pulls back. Let's get rid of this fib. Use another. We want to go from this swing high to this swing low. I should probably put this down at the bottom. All right, so right here at this area where you had support being created at the market, it almost aligns up perfectly with this 236 level right over here on the field. So we want to make sure that we monitor this area because we do have liquidity being formed at multiple points right here and right here. So we definitely could see a move to capture liquidity right there above those highs before price continues this downtrend. We can also just continue to monitor this area to make sure we get as much as we can out of this move. Okay, so that is an inverse head and shoulders on the 4 hour. Now right here on the smaller time frames, something that we look for, we call a break of structure. Now, let me find the empty place. Whether you're trading and prices moving down or whether price is moving up, you'll always see it begin to consolidate. When this happens, you're either going to see a continuation or you'll see a rejection. And if you are able to spot that break in structure, whether it's moving to the downside or to the upside, you put yourself in a position to profit off of moves in the market just from using a relatively simple concept. And I like this because it keeps you from really getting too caught up into all of the fancy terms and the fancy indicators. And I'll show you exactly what I mean as far as how you can implement it. So we can use this example right here, right in front of us. So price was on the way down. Look at this area. It started to consolidate. All right, now a lot of people get in trouble because they try to dictate the next move in the market. Like, I know exactly what's gonna happen. It's gonna buy or it's gonna sell. In a lot of cases, you get yourself in trouble, but when you just let the move happen, like we see this consolidation happen, we get a clear break. Excuse me. This is letting you know the true trend of the market, and going down to the smaller time frames, that'll help you with your entries when you're at those types of levels. All right, cool. So the same thing happened there, here, and this entire area right here. This is the exact same thing. The only difference is the length of time that it took for those periods of consolidation to completely play out. Mm. Serenity, you ready to put a trade in? What you doing? You just wanted to come in here? Yeah. Come here then, big face. Mm-hmm. All right. Come on this side. All right, so going down to a smaller time frame. This is the area of consolidation you got going right here. So based on the concept that I just showed you guys, for us to be comfortable with this trade, we need to see a break above this level here. So what we are going to do is place an alert right here and place an alert below. We already got one at the stop loss area, but let's put an alert below the area where we have consolidation. Come on, so y'all can trade with me. Yep, y'all gonna teach all the adults how to trade. All right, so look, we want this room. You remember?
Oh, yeah.
When price is in consolidation, it's inside a room. All right, so this is the floor. This is the ceiling. We want to see if it's going to break out of the ceiling or break through the floor. That's pretty much it, okay?
Okay.
All right. Let's see which room it goes to. Now, if it breaks out of this ceiling, Serenity, right here, these are the next areas that we're taking a look at. These are the next available rooms. You see this area right here?
Yes.
That's another ceiling or another room for us. Okay. Then if we look right here, boom, you see? Oh, let's put that back. So these are our rooms. And really, once you can start spotting how to identify the room by looking at the areas where price rejected in the market, that'll help you with finding your TPs and also understanding when you can exit some of your positions to take profit. So that US 30 trade setup that you got the $1,000 off of, Serenity, you made so much money because you went to a lot of different rooms, okay?
Okay.
So you made money on this sale. Let's see. Let's look at your trade. So the same thing that I just showed you guys about being able to spot when price is in consolidation like this. This is what we use to get Serenity in the trade to make $1,000 at 8 years old. So let's go down to the 15-minute time frame. So here this day, we noticed this move, and we also noticed this. The RSI was creating lower highs. Price was creating higher highs. When you see these two things line up in the market, this is referred to as bearish divergence. It's a sign to let you know that a sale is on the way before the sale actually comes. So when we saw that, We waited for this retest here. We entered this trade, and the babies got paid. But what happened? Let's look. Taking a look at this, what Serenity caught was price dropping. How many floors, Serenity? 3. 3. That's a big move. Big move. Yeah, that was 1 to 5 for us. Yeah, so you got a big move right there. Just from using simple concepts. All right, cool. So let's get back to it. So right now, look at US 30. US 30 is right on top of the floor that it just broke out of. You see that? So what we want to see is what happens here. Normally, when a movement is true, if price breaks out of that floor or breaks out of that ceiling and you get a pullback to retest it, in most cases you'll see a higher high being formed. Now, there are things in the market that they call false breakouts. You'll see a break above, but the movement doesn't last long. So let's go to the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour time frame, let's see, we got 2, 3 candles that closed above. On the 3 hour, it just looks like one candle and price pulled back immediately. Looks like we got a double bottom right there. Yep. And an hour and a half left in this candle close. If this thing closes beneath this low here, this would indeed be shaped up to be a false breakout. So while we're talking about it, we're seeing a potential move that turns out that exact way. So let's see. Look at that. Yeah, this thing looks like it wants to drop. So we'll watch US 30. Come on. Looks like we may have a chance to trade US 30 from where it is to the highs. At some point, we just need to wait until we see that break. Look, it say I am in. Alright, cool. Let's go back. Let's set some alerts because we want to trade that. That's a pretty nice move in either direction. Where were we? Euro pound. So we got some rejections right here at the highs. We already got an arrow above on a higher time frame, but we got a lot of liquidity being formed above the highs. In most, well, not in most cases. In every case, you'll see price begins to form liquidity below and above these consolidating areas before it makes that move. Okay, It's waiting on us, pretty much, the retail traders, to set up their positions and put them in those areas before they take off and get ready for the wipeout. See, we got money up there too.
Hello, everyone.
Let's see. I believe that's played already. No, it wasn't. So we got a double top right here on the 30-minute. What do I got that 4 hour? Looks like we may be in good hands on this trade setup. Now let's see if it pulls back to hit this double top and it lines up with that down trend line. Let's see how price responds, because we got a lot of news. We're either gonna see a sharp push up or a sharp push down on euro pound. What's my alert here? Now look at this. So this thing hit our TP2 and pulled back like crazy. Turn the music up. That's enough. Oh. Almost gave him a concert. So we got a 2-hour zone. It hasn't been retested. Got news dropping on Euro, JPY. Let's see. So look, Serenity, we got liquidity formed underneath these lows, and this zone has not been replayed. So let's see if price will hit this 618 and reject, or will it continue down towards this 786? Either way, it looks like if we get a close in the next 9 minutes, we may be able to enter right here on the retest. Stop loss above those highs. Euro JPY doesn't form some type of support right here, we'll definitely see a lower drop. do this since we got this monthly zone right here. Let's check our monthly field. Yep, so that area that we're looking at right now lines up perfectly with the 236. What's on the 382?
What if there was a way to know if a stock will be bullish or bearish?
All right, DJ. All right, find our show, because we'll be finished shortly. All right, go ahead. Okay. We want to see which one of these levels are strong enough to hold. Daily. Oh, really? Let's go back. Yeah, this changes things. I mean, you got a monstrous move to the upside and the same thing going in the opposite direction. Oh man, look at the clock. So we are about to hop off and jump into the Discord and go to the VIP. We'll be on in the morning to execute that setup. Alright, so you won't be left out on that part as far as the execution. But then it's time to head out, finish up our charting session on the other end. Whew, my eyes, all these lights. Well, all right, y'all. I appreciate you guys. I don't know what the hell appreciate is. I was moving too fast and tripped over my own tongue. But I appreciate y'all for hopping on. Always am here just to show love and show you guys a lot of the tools that I learned along this process throughout this journey of mastery when it comes to analytics. So, you guys, you want to start with us, you don't know where to begin, we have a few systems in place to help you get from point A to point B. Our free 9-day course helps you set up your demo account, your live account. I'm going to teach you how to place your trades, monitor your trades, and give you a proper trading plan. That way you don't jump into this thing head first without a sense of direction. Then you'll be able to hop on and just place trades with me live for free to get comfortable. And once you are, you can fund your account. So we go through all of those steps, all right? And you get access to that by heading to our website, hitting that free courses tab, going down to that free 9-day course and our mindset series, Structure Breaking. We have a free trial available for this as well. We want to help you guys not only get to mastery with the skill set, but also guide you into self-mastery. And we use our 6-week journal to help you with that process as well, to teach you to become more intentional with your words. We also have a few books available on Amazon. 6 Step to Consistent Results covers everything that you see me do in these live trading sessions. So yes, we have been winning over 70% of our trades for the last 3 months live. And this shows all of the concepts that I use to get there. All right. We have logbooks available as well to help you log your trades and your emotional state throughout the process of execution, which is extremely important. When it's time to execute in those markets, you're not only facing the markets itself, but you're facing yourself with those emotions and those limiting beliefs. So understanding how you feel when the time comes could help you fortify your mind and give you a different approach to accessing or executing your trades. So last but not least, you guys support the vision and the mission with our merch. And remember that you're only one trade away from living. Why fight to stay the same? Love you guys. Be great.